guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, as you can see, we are doing a fall clean and decorate with me. I am so excited to be decorating for fall, and I'm so excited to show you all of the decorations and where I put them, and I really hope you guys enjoy this video.
That's the way every day goes. Looking back, I know we started falling. We were falling in love, yeah. Took my heart and you rode off. Was a feeling never enough for you, baby? When you left me chasing you, trying to find a place where we can be.
I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Don't stare 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me.
Right now I'm just putting a metal pumpkin with some autumn leaves around it, and then I'm going to be cleaning this window here by my dining room table and putting some Halloween themed window stickers. They have become a little discolored from getting warmed up in my storage room, but that's okay, they'll work for now.
Shadows in stratosphere. I prayed for you and kept you near in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you made it so, and now I'm chasing nightmares through. I used to run with you through the great big leaves, laugh at you when you laugh at me. Hope for us because I believe the home was just you and me. I thought you were the one for me, that's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy sea.
And then here on the handles of my oven, I'm just going to put some hand tea towels. One is Halloween themed and one has autumn leaves on it. And if you were wondering, these I did get at the dollar store. I forgot about them and was not able to put them in my decor haul.
I'm gonna do this on my own. No point in blaming you, you did not know. Oh. I thought you were the one for me, that's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas, oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me.
And then here I'm just putting up one of my little signs right here in the corner by my stove. And then up here above my stove I'm just putting up my little pumpkin salt and pepper shakers. And then now I'm going to be starting to just take this stuff off and dust it so that I can decorate it. I'm just starting off with a metal candle holder and then some autumn leaves around it. And then I'm using the candle holder stands to put the little ceramic pumpkins that I got at the dollar store, and then I got the sign there too. And to be honest, this is my absolute favorite place that I've decorated this year in my house. And then here on my end table, I'm just putting the little scarecrow and owl decorations and the two plastic pumpkins. And then now I'm just going to vacuum this area of the living room so that I can bring in my little, not really little, is a light up pumpkin. I really like him. He is definitely a great asset to my holiday decoration. So now I am just starting on the mantle, putting up the decorations. Some of these decorations I have had for a while and some of them are new, like the sign in the center. I have had that for quite a few years now, and I'm just making sure that everything is even and symmetrical, because the OCD in me cannot let it be. Even that little banner bunting thing is kind of giving me. And then these little guys I got a couple days after I had filmed my decor haul, and I thought I would just share them with you in this video. And I just got a little vampire and a little mummy, and I just thought they were cute, and of course I couldn't just leave them there. Okay, and then now here at the bottom of my fireplace, I am just putting my terracotta pumpkins on this side, and then on the other side it will be just another metal pumpkin I have, and just wrapping it with autumn colored leaves. Alright, now I'm just going to clean the window here in my living room and put up some new window stickers that I got that say like keep out and have some like bloody handprints, because it goes with the door hanger that I put on the opposite side of my living room on the glass door over there, which you will see later on in the video. And like I said earlier, this is the glass door I will be hanging the door hanger on, and right now I'm just cleaning it, making sure that it's nice and clean, and then I will just be hanging the door hanger on it. So unfortunately, I did not have time the day before. I ran out of time. I had to go pick up my kids from school. And so this is next day, and I'm just starting off kind of vacuuming the entryway. And then here, just by the front door, I'm just putting some plastic pumpkins. And then on the table here, I'm just gonna dust it down. And then, of course, put my little witch sign that I just absolutely knew where it was going, and there it is. It's beautiful home. And then just some other decorations that, again, I've had for a while and that I had there last year. And then over here, I'm just gonna wrap the small part of the banister here with just some Halloween garland. And that's about it for the decorations, guys. Alright guys, I'm just gonna finish off the cleaning video with vacuuming the hallway. Again, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Go down and hit the subscribe button. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!